In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon of your Wix site. If you want your website to look more polished and professional, changing the favicon is a small detail that can make a big difference. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your site name, and it helps visitors recognize your website more easily when they have multiple tabs open. In Wix, the process is very simple, but there is one important requirement to keep in mind. To get started, go to your site's main dashboard in Wix. This is the main area where you manage your website settings, content, and design. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section gives you access to several important options related to how your website functions and appears. After opening Settings, click on Website Settings. This will take you to the area where Wix stores general settings for your site, including some branding-related options. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the favicon section. It may be a little further down the page, so just take your time and look carefully. Now, before you try to change it, there's something important to know. In order to update the favicon on your Wix site, you need to have a premium plan. If your site is not on a premium plan, Wix will not allow you to make this change. So if you don't see the option available, or if it's locked, that is likely the reason. If you do have premium access, you can go ahead and use the favicon option from this section to update the icon for your site. It's a good idea to choose a simple image that is clear and recognizable, even at a very small size. Since favicons appear tiny in browser tabs, clean and minimal designs usually work best. And that's all there is to it. The process is quick. Go to the main dashboard, click Settings in the left sidebar, open Website Settings, scroll down to the favicon section, and make sure your site has a premium plan so you can change it. Once your favicon is updated, your site will have a more branded and professional appearance across browser tabs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.